In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in Gohighlevel 2026. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct account or location where you want the contact to be saved. This is important because contacts are stored within the workspace you're currently using, so it's always a good idea to quickly confirm you're in the right place before entering any information. Once you're in Gohighlevel, look over to the left-hand main menu. From there, click on Contacts. This will take you to the Contacts area where you can view existing records and create new ones. If you're managing leads, clients, or prospects, this is the section where all of that information is organized. After the Contacts page loads, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click Add Contact. This opens the form where you'll enter the new contact's details. Start by typing in the first name, then enter the last name. These basic fields help keep your contact list clean and searchable, especially if you're working with a large database. Next, enter the email address, followed by the phone number. Be sure to type these carefully since they're often used for communication, automations, and follow-up campaigns. Even a small typo can cause messages or calls to go to the wrong place, so accuracy here really matters. After that, select the contact type. This helps categorize the person correctly in your system. Depending on how your workspace is set up, this can make it easier to filter contacts later and keep your records better organized. Then add the time zone. This is especially useful if you plan to send messages, schedule appointments, or run automations based on local time. Choosing the correct time zone can help improve timing and avoid confusion. Next, add channels. This lets you define how the contact can be reached within the system. It's a simple but helpful setting, especially if you're using multiple communication methods and want everything properly connected from the beginning. Once you've filled everything out, take a brief moment to review the information on the form. Checking the details before saving can help prevent duplicates or incorrect entries. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it. The new contact will now be added to your Gohighlevel contacts list and ready for future communication, organization, or automation. If you're adding multiple contacts, repeating the same process carefully each time will help you maintain a clean and reliable CRM.